Hello everyone, good day. Today I'll be showing you how to use the bulk airtime top-up. In my previous video I explained how to use the airtime top-up. Okay, you can see watch the video to get more details if you have not seen the video, and I also explain how to fund your wallet by following through the fund account option. So let's just go into it. Click on your bulk top-up. You can see I'm already on it. Alright, now you can use this bulk top-up, this bulk airtime, to send airtime to 30 individual at once. Yes, you can see at once. So let's just show you one or two examples with let's say 10, just 8. So what you do is you select the option here. You want to send to 6 persons, select 6. You want to select to 22 individuals in the number you send, select 22, so you have 22 column there to fill in. Alright, so let's just treat with just time's sake. You put in their numbers here, fill in their numbers, choose the network for each of them. However, you can do one after the other, don't get me wrong. All those things are populated were because I've used it before anyway. So I've sent to about 80 numbers at the same time. So I did 30 and all. So then select the amount. You can send to any amount. They mustn't be the same amount. You can send to any amount whatsoever. So you feel all of that. Once you are done filling this or the column, alright, you come here, click on bulk top-up. Once you click on this, the data goes a millisecond. It does not waste time. In less than of gone. So thank you. This is all about bulk top-up. Watch out my next video. I will explain other part of the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you.